In this video, I will show how to bold text in Illustrator. So, selection tool and select your text, and in the character, here you will see the option like regular, so firstly you need to select your text, now character, and now select any another text, and here you will see the options, find out bold, this one, bold, bold italic, black, black italic, and so many options. Select it, character, and select any option. If you not see here, so change font, and now so in some font you will get these options. Thanks for watching.